at your feet. I wait patiently for you. Oh, I will forever and always put you before me till the end of time. But until then, till my last breath rolls in, oh, I am yours, and you are mine. My heart beats for you alone. Now house can hold the love that we own. Every time you fall.
We've been together for so many years, and yet I still can't believe how blessed I am to have someone like you in my life. Indeed, you were a blessing. You were an answer to my prayers. So today, as I stand here before you, before God, and in front of all the people here, I promise to be always faithful, loving, and caring, and to always stay with you through good times and bad times.
You know this could be something.
Bakla nga po. Ay, bakla talaga siya. Ito po ang aming reaction. Ay, gusto niya mag-dress.
With nothing.
I remember every look upon your face.
The way you roll your eyes, the way you taste, you make it hard for
I promise to give you the freedom to be the successful girl you are meant to be. I promise to create and support a family filled with laughter, patience, understanding, and love. And I promise that the only thing that I will ask for you to change is your last name.
That I can't live without you.
Maybe two is better than one, but there's so much time to figure out the best of my life, and you've already got me coming undone. And I'm thinking two is better than one. I remember what you wore on the first day. You came into my life and I thought, hi. Maybe it's true
That I can't live without you.
maybe two is better than one, but there's so much time to figure out the best of
Rain, ialay mo ang iyong buhay kay Lourice, at Lourice, ialay mo ang iyong buhay para kay Rain. Sana ang inyong pagtataling puso, huwag niyong kalilimutang ilagay si Kristo sa gitna ng inyong pagsasama. Sapagkat siya ang modelo ng pag-ibig, ng pagmamahal.